The divisibility rule of 3. The rule for numbers that can be divided by 3 is as follows. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then 3 can go into that number. That means if you add up the numbers and 3 goes into the total, then 3 goes into the original number. For example, 27, because 2 plus 7 is 9 and 3 goes into 9. Now you try it. Is 48 divisible by 3? No calculators. Please pause the video so you don't see the answer. If you said yes, you are correct. Great job. 4 plus 8 is 12, and 3 goes into 12 evenly, so 3 goes into 48. Let's try one more. Is 233 divisible by 3? Again, pause the video so you don't see the answer.
2,000 years later.
If you said no, you are correct. 2 plus 3 is 8, and 3 does not go evenly into 8, so 3 does not evenly go into 233. Now you know the divisibility rule for 3. Check out my other videos for more divisibility rules. Thanks so much for watching.